Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make beef steak at home. First, select a good cut like ribeye or sirloin, ideally around 1.5 inches thick for best results. Make sure to pat your steak completely dry with paper towels. This step is crucial for achieving a beautiful crust. Then, season both sides generously with salt and freshly ground black pepper. Now, let's get cooking. Place a cast iron skillet over medium-high heat until it's very hot and just starting to smoke. Add about 1 tablespoon of a high smoke point oil, like avocado or grapeseed oil. Carefully place your seasoned steak into the hot pan. Sear it for 2 to 3 minutes on each side to develop a rich, golden brown crust. After searing, reduce the heat to medium-low. Add 2 tablespoons of butter, a few smashed garlic cloves, and a sprig of fresh rosemary or thyme to the pan. Tilt the pan and baste the steak with the melted butter mixture for 1 to 2 minutes. Transfer the steak to a cutting board and let it rest for 5 to 10 minutes. This allows the juices to redistribute for a tender and flavorful result. Finally, it's time to slice and serve your delicious steak. Always slice against the grain, which means cutting perpendicular to the muscle fibers. Aim for slices about 1/2 inch thick. This technique ensures each bite is tender and easy to chew. Serve your perfectly cooked beef steak immediately with your favorite sides and enjoy your culinary creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.